Hello people, I'm Kirsten, and today we are going to make a lush, relaxing, beautiful lip balm, which is best of all organic and great for all seasons. If you're new to my channel, I am blind, so I use my hands to feel and measure as I prepare things much more than you might be used to seeing, so there's another perspective for you. So when making a lip balm, the first thing you want to do is establish your base, or the thing that will bind all of your oils and creams together so that it doesn't fall out of the tube. I have here 2 tablespoons of beeswax, which I prepared in advance just because it takes so long. But the way that I do it is I have this block here and an all-purpose cutter from my toolbox that I don't care about messing up, and you just line it up a little toward the edge. Move your fingers and try to slice a little without breaking the blade. And then you carefully remove the chips. There are beeswax pellets instead of this giant block, and I can assure you I will be purchasing them in future. So, into a glass bowl, add your beeswax, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, about a tablespoon of unrefined shea butter, which you have to wrestle out of here, just over a tablespoon of organic cocoa butter. Do not go to the store and buy the cocoa butter lotion. That is not organic, and I do not want that on my face. About a tablespoon of olive oil. Do not judge my Costco bottle. It is the best for the value. Really carefully, try not to go crazy. And boom! Oh!
Nice shot.
I am very proud of myself for that, you guys. I don't know how I did that. Look how big the mouth of this jug is. Oh, that could have ended in disaster, but it did not. So you take this over to a pot that I have prepared on the stove and place it in water that will go about halfway up the sides for a bain-marie, or a double broiler water bath. This is hot, not boiling, but hot. Just hot enough that it'll melt. Then gently move the ingredients around with a metal spoon until they've melted. I progressively have been turning down the heat till it's on pretty low because I have an electric stove and it's just what I have to deal with. But once all of the base ingredients are fully melted and incorporated like this, we can move it from the heat, and here's where the fun starts. You have to move kind of quickly so that it doesn't solidify too much, but this is where we add the essential oils that will make up more of the healing remedies in this really awesome lip balm. So this, for some scent, is vanilla oil. I would be putting in a few drops. I think for a recipe like this, I would say somewhere around 20-25 combined drops of oil. And really, the fun part is you get to just pick whatever particular properties you want in your lip balm. There are also so many recipes for face creams, hand creams, body butters, etc. that you can really have fun with recipes like this. Vanilla oil is really soothing, and so is chamomile oil. There's nothing like sitting in the fall with a warm cup of chamomile tea. I just burned myself. It's okay. Next, we will add a couple of drops jojoba oil. So many wonderful benefits in these oils. I really encourage you to look these up and use them as a natural part of caring for your skin and body throughout the day. This is red raspberry seed oil. Studies have shown that this actually can have some SPF, or sun protection factor, properties. The amount and degree of SPF is still a little bit not agreed upon, but if there's a way that I can try and naturally increase the amount of sunscreen on my lips, I will do so. We'll do maybe like a dropper and a half full. of red raspberry seed oil. And last, we'll do a couple of drops of wheat germ oil. Just be very careful. Done. Once you get to this part and you're mixing everything together, you can test it. And if it needs more of a certain scent, you can add some more. If you think that it's too liquidy, you can add more beeswax. So what I'm going to do, place it on my hand, and then rub it in, and see whether it rubs in well. If it thickens enough that I think it'll stay thick in the bottle. And it does.
And it does?
And it does. And then, once you rub it in, you can smell it and see if the fragrance is exactly to your desire. Oh, that's really nice. Some people like to add citrusy oils, like sweet orange oil or lemon, but I have a dog, and so please be sure to know that if you have a pet, many essential oils are not good for them. So diffusing them, putting them like this with some heat, putting them on the animal's skin is really, really not good. So make sure that you pay attention to that. Next, we have to take the bowl out of the bain-marie and try to pour into this glass measuring cup. Be careful because this bowl is quite hot, so you do not want to spill this on yourself. So next, they sell these very cute little funnels online specifically for making products like this. So you take the funnel, and I bought some lip balm containers out of recycled material that I will link in the description box for you, so you can buy them from Amazon yourself. Place the funnel, knock over everything, and start to pour. Oh, and spill everywhere. That's okay, because it's fine. Oh my God. This happens when you can't see, but trust me. Oh! It's worth it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try to slow down a little bit. Slow, slow. And voila! Midway through the pouring process, we actually had to reheat everything twice. The reason is because I put more beeswax in this particular recipe since it's summer, and I don't want the lip glosses to melt if they're in my purse or my pocket as I'm walking around outside. The ending got just so annoying, I didn't feel like doing it again, so I kind of shoved it in there a little bit. This one's a little imperfect, so this one won't be a gift. That's fine. Joe and I can use this. But this recipe yields about 5 tubes, give or take a little. So let's try it right now and see what we think.
And?
Perfect. It is perfect. Another way you can tell that it's really good is because it's on my hands and I couldn't wash it off with dish soap. So that just goes to tell you that they actually really are effective, and all of these ingredients are designed to hold in moisture. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you had the opportunity to go out and make your own lip balms, and please don't forget that it's supposed to be for you. So have fun with it. Use the oils that have the health and scent properties that you really care about, and go from there. I hope that you enjoyed. Please comment down below if there's any other content that you'd like to see me make. Subscribe, and throughout your day, I hope that you have some time to stop, take a deep breath, and smile for a second. I'll see you in the next video.